Somewhere in our galaxy right now, a dead star is spinning hundreds of times per second, crushing matter beyond imagination, and shooting beams of radiation across the universe. This is a neutron star, and it is the most extreme object that can exist without becoming a black hole. Today we explore everything about these terrifying cosmic monsters. Who predicted neutron stars? Here is something remarkable. In 1934, just 2 years after the neutron itself was discovered, two astronomers named Walter Baade and Fritz Zwicky made an extraordinary prediction. They proposed that when a massive star explodes in a supernova, its core could collapse into an incredibly dense object made entirely of neutrons. They called it a neutron star. At the time, scientists laughed at the idea. It seemed completely impossible. Nobody believed matter could be compressed that far. Then in 1967, a young PhD student named Jocelyn Bell Burnell accidentally discovered a rapidly pulsing radio signal coming from deep space. Her supervisor initially joked it might be aliens. It wasn't. It was the first pulsar ever detected, a spinning neutron star. Baade and Zwicky had been right all along, 33 years before anyone could prove it. What is a neutron star? When a massive star 8 to 20 times bigger than our sun reaches the end of its life, it explodes in a catastrophic supernova. The outer layers are blasted into space, but the core collapses inward with unimaginable force. Protons and electrons are crushed together into neutrons. What remains is a neutron star, an object so dense and so extreme, it defies everything we understand about physics. Our sun is 1.4 million kilometers wide. A neutron star packs more mass than that into a ball just 20 kilometers across. That is smaller than most cities on Earth. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh 10 billion tons on Earth. If you drop that teaspoon, it would fall straight through our planet like it wasn't even there. Neutron stars spin incredibly fast. When a massive star collapses, its rotation speeds up dramatically, like a figure skater pulling in their arms. Some neutron stars spin up to 700 times every single second. These rapidly spinning neutron stars are called pulsars. They shoot out beams of radio waves and radiation like a cosmic lighthouse, sweeping across the universe with perfect clockwork precision. So precise that scientists use them as the most accurate clocks in the universe. Neutron stars have the most powerful magnetic fields ever discovered. Some neutron stars, called magnetars, have magnetic fields 1 trillion times stronger than Earth's. These magnetic fields are so powerful, they can distort the very atoms around them. If a magnetar was placed halfway between Earth and the Moon, it would erase every credit card on our planet. It would tear apart the iron in your blood from 200,000 kilometers away. When two neutron stars orbit each other, they slowly spiral inward, losing energy through gravitational waves. Eventually, they collide in the most violent explosion in the universe, called a kilonova. A kilonova is so powerful, it briefly outshines entire galaxies. But here is the most mind-blowing part. Scientists believe that all the heavy elements in the universe, gold, platinum, silver, were created in these collisions. Every piece of gold jewelry on Earth was forged in a neutron star explosion billions of years ago. Neutron stars are scattered throughout our galaxy. The closest one to Earth is about 250 light-years away. Even traveling at the speed of light, it would take 250 years to reach it. And if you somehow got close enough, the gravitational tidal forces would stretch your body into a strand of individual atoms before you even touch the surface. A neutron star is truly one of the most hostile environments in the entire universe. Neutron stars are proof that the universe is far more extreme and far more violent than we can ever truly imagine. Two scientists predicted their existence in 1934 when nobody believed them. A young student accidentally proved them right in 1967. And today we know these cosmic monsters are responsible for creating every piece of gold on Earth. If your mind is blown right now, subscribe to Space Mind PK. We post mind-blowing space content every week. Which fact shocked you the most? Comment below. See you in the next one.